everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. We are back with another Free Fire tutorial where we are gonna learn how to change the language setting in the Free Fire app using your Android or iOS device. This works for mobile device as well as tablets, so let's get started. First of all, launch open Free Fire game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. From the lobby page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. In the settings menu that appears on the screen, go to the left hand corner and tap on account and basic. After you're inside the account and basic tab, click on the language option, this one over here, and tap on it. You will see the available language options you can change to. Select any other language options. You may have different varieties of language in your region. In my case, there are only 2 languages available. If you have got more, simply tap on your preferred language to change the language immediately for your app. After selecting the language, tap OK and the setting will change immediately. So that is how you easily change your language setting to your preferred one while playing Free Fire game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.